Hey guys, welcome back. On today's video I'll be showing you how to make banana pancakes. If you're interested, just relax and continue watching. Into your mixing bowl, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Next, add a 1/4 cup of sugar, teaspoon of baking powder, salt and cinnamon. You can also use nutmeg if you prefer. Then go ahead and mix everything together and set the bowl aside. In our second bowl, go ahead and mash your banana. Here I have just one very ripe banana. If you love banana so much, it is okay to add more than one. Next, go ahead and crack in 1 egg, add 1¼ cup of milk or water, then mix everything together. You can also transfer to a blender and blend it till very smooth. Next, transfer the mixture into our dry ingredients and mix everything together. Set it aside. Then grease your pan either with butter, oil or a cooking spray and reduce your stove to the lowest so it doesn't get burnt. Then slowly add in just 1 scoop of the batter. It depends on the space you have in your pan. You can add more than 1 at a time. Once the pancakes start forming bubbles at the top, then know that they are ready to be flipped. And for you to flip this pancake, you need a very nice spatula. The silicone spatulas are from Bankky. The spatulas are so good. It is high resistance to heat. It is so easy to clean. The handles are so comfortable. The slotted edges make it very easy for you to just flip food comfortably. You can find these spatulas on Amazon. You can just check the link in my description box. If you are still watching till this point, please give this video a thumbs up. Please don't forget that. Just click on that like button and also subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. Okay, it is free. You don't have to pay anything. Then if the pancakes slides very easily in the pan, then know that they are ready to be flipped. Again, you can also check for air bubbles. Those are the indications that the pancakes are ready to be flipped. So just go ahead and flip the pancakes and just let the other side get golden brown as well, and then they are ready. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and I hope you've given it a thumbs up at this point. Also check my description box for the link to this very nice spatula. You can also use my discount code to get some discounts when you purchase this particular spatula. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Until then, stay safe and God bless you.